Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and tall trees, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. Lily was known for her love of animals, especially cats. She had a fluffy white cat named Snowball, whom she adored dearly. One sunny morning, as Lily was playing in her garden, she heard a faint meowing sound coming from behind the bushes. Curious, she went closer and discovered a tiny gray kitten with big green eyes. The kitten looked scared and lost. "Oh, poor little thing," Lily exclaimed softly. She gently picked up the kitten and noticed a small collar around its neck, with a tag that read, "Whiskers." Lily knew she had to help Whiskers find his way home. She asked around the neighborhood if anyone knew about a lost kitten named Whiskers, but no one did. Determined to reunite Whiskers with his family, Lily decided to search for clues. She walked through the village, asking people if they had seen Whiskers before. Finally, an old man sitting on a bench near the park said, "I saw a gray kitten playing near the old mill yesterday." Excited by this lead, Lily rushed to the old mill. There, she found more kittens playing, but none of them were Whiskers. Disappointed, but not giving up, Lily continued her search. As the sun began to set, Lily spotted a flyer on a tree. It was a missing poster for Whiskers. The poster had a phone number, so Lily quickly dialed it. "Hello?" a voice answered. "Hi, I found a kitten named Whiskers. Is he yours?" Lily asked eagerly. "Oh, thank goodness. Yes, that's our Whiskers. Where are you?" the voice replied with relief. Lily described her location, and soon, Whiskers' family arrived in their car. They were overjoyed to see their lost kitten safe and sound. "Thank you so much for finding Whiskers," said the kitten's owner, a young girl about Lily's age. "We've been so worried about him." Lily smiled warmly. "I'm just happy he's back where he belongs." As Whiskers happily reunited with his family, Lily felt a warm sense of happiness knowing she had helped bring them back together. From that day on, Lily and Whiskers became good friends, and the village praised Lily for her kindness and bravery in finding the lost kitten. And so, with a heart full of love and friendship, Lily's day ended with a beautiful sunset and the joyful purring of a reunited family of felines.